When comparing ConvertKit versus Leadpages, you're probably wondering which one stands out as the best landing page software. Both are solid options, but after testing them myself, I'll give you a rundown of their strengths and weaknesses so you can make an informed decision. Stick around until the end because I'll reveal a better alternative that might just meet your needs more effectively. First, let's talk about ConvertKit. It's well known for being a powerful email marketing tool, but when it comes to landing pages, it's a mixed bag. While it's easy to use and integrates seamlessly with email campaigns, the landing page features aren't as flexible as you might hope. The templates are basic, and customization options can feel a bit limited for those looking to design something truly unique. If you're just starting out or don't need too many customizations, ConvertKit's landing page builder might work fine, but it's not going to blow you away. Next, let's move on to Leadpages. This is a platform built specifically for creating high-converting landing pages, and it shows. The drag-and-drop builder is intuitive, and you get access to a variety of templates designed to maximize conversions. Plus, Leadpages has built-in integrations with a wide range of tools, which is a huge plus. However, while Leadpages is powerful, it does come with its own set of downsides. The pricing can feel a bit steep for what you get, especially if you're a smaller business or just need basic landing page functionality. The templates, while plentiful, aren't always as modern as you might expect for the price. Now, let's take a look at the third thing that matters: speed and performance. Both ConvertKit and Leadpages have solid uptime and fast page load speeds, which are essential for user experience and conversions. However, Leadpages tends to perform better in this area, especially if you need your landing pages to load quickly under high traffic. The fourth thing we need to talk about is customer support. ConvertKit offers support via email and chat, but it's been known to take some time for responses. It's not the worst, but it could definitely be better. Leadpages, on the other hand, offers 24/7 live chat and phone support, which makes a big difference if you need quick help to get your pages up and running without any issues. But here's the thing: both of these platforms are good, but they're not perfect. They may fit your needs if you're looking for basic landing page functionality, but they're limited in the flexibility and customization department. If you're serious about building high-converting, personalized landing pages with all the bells and whistles, you might want to consider an alternative. After trying all of these myself, I believe there's a better option out there that's more powerful and customizable. If you want the best landing page software to meet your needs, check out the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get exclusive access to the best free trial and benefits that aren't available to anyone else. Don't miss out on this opportunity to level up your landing pages.